So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how to get Snapchat public profile on iPhone and as well as Android devices. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user report to how to get Snapchat public profile on Snapchat and also iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone and Android. So guys, I give you some tips and tricks easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all, open the Snapchat, then you can see also left corner profile icon. So please tap on profile icon, then tap on the settings, then in settings you can see also scroll down and tap on contact me. Then you can see also everyone select, then again come back and use my cam OS selfies. So please again turn on everyone, then again my story everyone, and easy to solve your problems. Then again the come back in settings, then you can see also add to snap map, then settings, then you can see also create public profile icon, then continue, again get started, then you can see also create, then come back in your home screens, then you can see also my public profile, then tap on my public profile, in public profile edit profile, then enter your profile informations as well as enter locations. Then you can see also again new options, show subscriber count. So please turn on show subscriber count and easy to solve your problems, and also create your public profile in Snapchat as well as iOS and Android, and easy to, you can see also subscribe button available in your public profile, and easy to count subscriber on public profile. And I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Then you can see also add highlights in Snapchat. Again select your cam roll to select your photos, and easy to solve your problems. Then you can see also all select in your iPhone and Android. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.